The 2015 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, premium sound, center armrest, climate control, power brakes, clock, side airbag, security system, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.